Damn!
CJ with the W. Chad is happy, so is Otto. Attaboy, CJ! Way to drive it, dude! Woo! Way to drive it!
Let's go! You got fire, you're good. I wasn't recording when the thing went boom.
That thing was a grenade.
Dude.
What is it?
Alcohol?
Alcohol. That fucking thing again.
I didn't even know the tires were in the air. It didn't even... That was wild. We just went a PB, I'm pretty sure. There's no way that wasn't a PB. That was fun. That's a big win. Oh my God, I can't even believe it.
Let's go! Let's go!
Yeah! Woo! Woo!
Ah, you treat the out of me. I was sleeping. I'm like, why am I seeing this yellow this long?
Yes!
Hey,
Remember that goal.
it looked good.
I freed him too, didn't I?
Dude, your mom?
Did I free him?
Yeah, you did.
Hole 32 on the light bro. Oh my God. Gonna happen.
Yeah, Cole!
How'd it feel to win $5 grand?
Oh man, it's a dream come true. I mean, I never thought that we could possibly get this far, but sure enough, we did. I mean, I'm living the dream right now, and I'm on cloud 9.
You, Cole, are representing the state of Minnesota, and we're about to find out who the outlaw is that you go up against.
Oh my god. I can't even believe it. We did it! Oh my god. Let's go! Unbelievable. Unreal.
That we're here this weekend. This was probably going to be the highlight race that we had for I don't even know how long. I mean, everyone just had an absolute blast, and I couldn't thank them enough.
Hey, come check your hood. Leave that.
Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah.